Welcome back to EJ Financials. Today we're taking a look at the new inflation report that just came out as of August 10th, 2023. We'll start off with this high-level view and then we'll take a look at their PDF that was released by the BLS. Okay, and starting off with core inflation month over month, it came in at 0.2%. And again, core inflation excludes energy prices and food prices because they're a little more volatile. And year over year, core inflation came in at 4.7%, slightly under what was expected, which was 4.8%. And let's take a look at the graph to see if we can identify any trends. Core inflation came in at 4.7%, pretty close to last month's reading at 4.8%. And if we take a look at the 5-year view, we can see that it's come down from its peak. We can see that in previous years, core inflation was closer to about 2.5 or 3%. So we're still elevated when it comes to core inflation. And if we look at headline inflation, which includes all expense categories, it came in at 0.2% month over month. And year over year, it came in at 3.2%. And we'll take a look at the chart as well. And if we zoom out to look at the 10-year period, we can see that headline inflation has seen more of a decrease than core inflation. And if we take a look at the last couple of readings, we can see a bit of a bounce in the inflation numbers. So that's something to keep an eye on. But it is just one reading so far where it went from 3% year over year to 3.2%. Is this going to be a continuation and an upward trend? Or is it just one reading and then next month we'll see a lower inflation number reported? Okay, let's continue on to the BLS report, which shows all the details. In the report, they also include this chart, which summarizes the core inflation and headline inflation. So core inflation is this red line and headline inflation is this blue line. And we can see how it's been trending over the past year. Next, we'll take a look at this report by category to see which categories had the largest impacts. All right, so here we can see that fuel oil had an increase of 3% from June 2023 to July 2023. Next, we have utility piped gas service also increased 2%. Here we have a big drop in airline fares by 8.1%. I think that's it for today. Those were the categories with the biggest changes. If you want to see the report yourself and read through it, go to bls.gov and you can download their PDF and make sure you follow for more updates. Thank you.